When it comes time to make repairs or additions to the distribution system, we bring in heavy equipment to assist with the job. There are specific work practices that must be followed to get this big pipe from the factory or equipment yard safely into the ground. The key is to protect everyone working on the job, protecting these vital components of the distribution system. As you might expect, injuries that occur working with heavy equipment can be very serious.
Here are some of the common injuries that occur when installing large pipe in the field. Pipes and other distribution components fall on workers, workers struck by heavy machinery while unloading pipe, injuries from faulty slings, rigging devices and blocking material, and back injuries from improperly lifting pipes and other distribution components. And there are other serious injuries related to this type of work, such as portable power tool injuries, traffic pedestrian accidents, and trench and excavation cave-ins.
All of the injuries on that list can be avoided if your utility follows safe work practices, and that's exactly what we're going to show you on this video. How to handle pipe and distribution components safely in the field.